Glide app tutorial for beginners. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you the tutorial of Glide app, a app where you don't need any coding skills to build any website. So let's get it started. Also you can build apps. So first of all you have to head over to glideapps.com. Then you have to enter some basic questions. Here you can see this search bar, like what do you want to build. So you, for example, I want to build um, birds game app. Okay, so now tap on to Let's Glide. Also you can upload data from your browser if you want. Let's Glide, let's tap on to Let's Glide. So wait until it loads completely, and from there it will show some results. So wait until it load perfectly. Till then we're gonna log into it. Okay, so let's sign up. So continue with Google. Let's continue with Google and then continue again, then continue and wait until it redirects us to its dashboard. So there we go. Now you have to enter more descriptions to make a perfect app. For example, here you can see AI is also recognizing it, like analyzing my type of birds, like my type of app I want to build. So wait until it loads completely and then it will easily create a app for me. And there we go. You can check out this, you can check out all of these things. This is how you can create an app. So you can also tap onto plus icon, then you can add more things like descriptions, habitat, interesting facts, scientific name, all other things. And so let's upload this one also. Okay, so there we go. You can check out this kind level and all these things, Oliver Brown achievements and all other things. You can check it out, their current level, is score, and many other things. So here you can see it is creating a image for me, GIF for me. So, and if you don't know how to build and if you want to try it, then simply just head over to ChatGPT, go to ChatGPT, and then prompt it to like prompt it that what type of video you want to make. So I'm gonna prompt it, write me a perfect prompt to make an, okay, wait, to make an app about games for kids. Also it should contain games like Subway Surfers. I think that is enough. And customize it according to you to make it more cool. Okay, so I think that's enough. Now we are gonna copy this prompt right from here, and then we're gonna paste it to no code app. I mean, we're gonna transform it to Glide app. So let's copy the prompt, copy the whole prompt at one. Okay, let me copy the whole text right from here, and then I'm gonna paste it to this side like Glide apps. So let's tap onto Let's Glide and let's see how it turns out. But till then, let's check out our old version, old app. So here you can check out progress. Let's get out of it. You can check out many things, You can tap onto this one, you can view profile and other things. You can check out all bird species right here, American robin and many more. You can check out sleeping birds. There we go, you can check it out. You can check out its descriptions, like AI has already added a description to it. You can make it more interesting. So let's check it out, all of them. So let's tap onto dreaming finch. Wait, what is this? Okay, we can check the description, like the house finch is a medium-sized bird species known for its distinctive red head and cheerful song. So that's true. That means this glide apps AI does not just bluff, it really is interesting. Okay, so let's check out our old one. Okay, so check it out how it turns out. Till then, we are gonna add more customization to this side. We're gonna tap onto, okay, no, we are not gonna add any more customization. Let's check out this data. You can check out its data right from here. You can change the descriptions and many other things. For example, you can change the name, you can add new row, you can change the species name, you can also change the images if you want. You can change it easily from here, and then you can open it and upload it. Now let me show you how you can publish your app. Then you, at the top right corner, you can see this option publish. Simply tap on the publish option. From there, here you can see this is the domain name of your published site. Then tap on to publish. Wait until you publish completely. And basically this will be my private app, because if you want to publish it publicly, you must have to update it. You can invite your peoples, like users and many other things, like you can send invites and other, you can check out privacy things. And if you want to publish, then you can just tweet it, and you must need a domain, which is this one. Then tap on the share. Okay, so that was pretty much it. Let's check out our old one. Here we go. Let's see how it turns out. So just simply tap on the share, and there you can check out all other things and reload the page, and your page has been updated. Let's check out how it turns out. So here you can check it out. This is really cool. So yeah, nice. So that was pretty much it. And if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye. See you on to another video.